As you guys saw, I did get teleported back a little bit, but it's genuinely not a big deal. We are still here. We're good to go. Now we're going to go through the right answer. I'm going to show you guys the correct answer so you guys can speed run through this map in and maximize genuinely the amount of bucks you're going to get. But I don't know what just happened to me there. I'm genuinely getting a lot of them wrong. This is like bad odds right here. So obviously guys, this map does get updated, so you may get stuff wrong every once in a while. But I'm going to show you the correct answer key so you can follow along with my answers and make sure that you maximize the amount of bucks that you are going to get from this insane glitch. And as I said guys, I am going to be in this map. So if you want to go ahead and see me in the map, talk to me, add me on Fortnite, get a gift, all that good stuff, try out this glitch. Kid. Right now we're on a good streak. We're getting the right answers correct. And here we go. We are going to keep going through these. So just follow along, go into the ones that I'm going into and you're going to be good to go. There's 3 levels on this map and we're genuinely speed running through this first level. And because of that, I think the rest of it going to be likely very easy. It will probably get harder over the next few levels, but it's ok. We're doing good right now. Mountain Dew will go Pringles on the right. Subway right here will go on the left. And this is the McDonald's. Is this the McDonald's girl? I think so. Ok, so the McDonald's girl on the right here. Walmart. Ok, well go. Go through there and there we go, we have officially made it to the second level. Now we are gonna have to go through this one right here, and this is of course Ferrari no Bamu. Okay, it says that, so Bamu we want to go on the right. I can't believe I got that wrong actually when it's genuinely okay. So Bamu, you're gonna want to go through the right here. Now of course Chick-fil-A, of course I know my food ones bro cause I'm literally £3 okay, so next we're gonna want to go through the Ford logo. On the right, and Heen I believe they make mustard. Come on bro, Kendrick Lamar, let's go. Okay, John Deere on the right. No, that other guy got it right. Okay, it's also good to play public because you'll see other people in the map and they'll be getting stuff right, so you can kind of just copy their answers, which you know, that's what I do on every single I do in school anyways. It's honestly so good. Okay, so that guy got it wrong. So that means I know it is on the right here. Now Microsoft on the left, mobile I think is on the right there bro. What the heck isn't it? Okay, this is of course the Nutella, and then I believe maybe on the left. Oh my gosh. Okay, so go into Nutella. It's Netflix. Oh, I thought it was Nutella. Anyways, you're gonna want to go Netflix on the right here. Novel, of course, the basketball league on the left. North Face on the right. Google search hits. Click price, size it, enter and free Fortnite V-Bucks, get V-Bucks now click.